hot.
Wow.
It's spicy.
Oh, look, it's got a little arm.
Yeah, it's a little, I don't know. It's so weird.
What are you?
วันนี้นะคะเราก็จะมาทำเนื้อย่างเกาหลีที่เราสองคนชอบกันมากๆเลยซึ่งเพราะว่ามันมีร้านเนื้อย่างเกาหลีที่นึงที่มันอร่อยมากๆแต่ว่ามันอยู่ไกลบ้านมากเลยก็เลยไปหาสูตรแล้วก็มาทำเองนะคะแล้วก็วันนี้จะทำไม่รู้ว่ามันเรียกว่าอะไรในภาษาในแบบเกาหลีแต่ว่ามันเป็นเหมือนต้มแซ่บเพราะว่ามันเผ็ดๆแล้วก็ใส่พริกเยอะมากเลย Today we are gonna be doing our favorite, which is Korean barbecue, and I'm gonna be doing my favorite too, which is spicy Korean barbecue soup. This island is a lot further than the other island that we went because we got a new little boat that can go further. So now we're gonna go explore. There's one more. Oh, there's two more grill right here. This one looks pretty brand new. Nice. And that's one grill on the ground there. Let's see if there's more sea creature around here. Lots of seaweed.
Ooh, shake it, see if anything's living in it.
No.
Sometimes you'll find baby seahorses and stuff.
Baby seahorses?
Yeah. Shrimp.
I don't know.
Or baby shrimp.
I don't see anything. Oh, I found a ball for Baba.
Hey. Anything else back here?
Nope.
Nope.
Baba! Wow. Hey, Crazy! Hey, Crazy, what did you see?
Right.
What did you see, Lil? Baba, where did Baba go?
Bob!
Baba!
Probably sleeping.
Yeah, I really like this island. I like this island a lot better than other islands because they got like table, they got grill everywhere, and we are planning on coming back here to camp, like camp. We're just gonna go ahead and start the soup first because we have to get it hot. I already cooked the broth from home because it takes like a couple hours to get good broth. And the meat and the protein today is the rib that I already cooked with the broth. Woo. I'm not gonna make too much because it's just me. The wind is coming from that way, so we should tilt it here.
Yeah.
Yay! Onion. Hot.
Whoa.
Yay! Boiling. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put green onion, napa. Not too much. Let the veggie cook for a little bit. It says sesame oil. Not too much. I think I put a little too much. And this is the Korean spicy, Korean like chili powder. Put it in there. Wow. Okay, and by the way, I am Thai, and this is the only like hot Korean soup that I like. So I looked up the recipe online, and I'm not an expert. So if I do anything wrong, just forgive me. We're gonna make sure that it doesn't get burned, because if it gets burned, then it will turn black. จ๋าก็ไม่ได้เก่งทำอาหารเกาหลีเลยนะคะ แต่ว่าชอบซุปอันนี้มากก็เลยไปหาสูตรมาจาก Google แล้วก็ไม่ได้มีเครื่องปรุงแบบของเกาหลีครบนะคะ แต่ว่าก็พอทานได้เนาะ And then just gonna put this in here. Looks spicy. Yep, now it's red. Nice. Okay, we're gonna let it cook for a little bit more. This is, I think it's gochujang, the Korean chili paste, my favorite. This one has a little bit of sweetness and saltiness. I know I put a lot, but that's how I like it. Oh, it's turning red. Korean fermented soybean paste. This one is really salty and the smell is pretty strong. I'm just gonna put this much just because it's part of the recipe. Just a little bit of soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce. Okay, and sugar is not part of the recipe, but I usually like to put a little bit because it really helps with the saltiness. Okay, soup is done and boiling. I am going to try to get the charcoal in here.
Can I do it?
I got it. Let's see the red though. It's red inside.
I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay.
Ooh, big bone. Maybe just one bone for now. I forgot to bring the big spoon. I'm just gonna use this. Alright. Now we're gonna get the meat. And this is where we're eating today. Real outdoor grill. apologize if it's a little windy today because it's super windy. Hey. Okay. I got boiled rice,
Oh, thank you.
chopstick. And it might look hot, but it's not hot at all.
No, hence the long sleeves.
Yeah, it's
Pretty cold.
It's really, it's perfect. It was freezing this morning.
It was in the 50s this morning. Wow.
Hot.
Wow. So tender. Thank you, honey. Try it.
I know, hold on. Annie.
The edges are kind of crispy.
Very good. One more?
I'm good with it.
One more.
How about a lot?
Wow, the soup is good. The soup is good. I'm loving it. Not spicy. It looks red, but it's not spicy. I guarantee you it's not spicy. It's not, right?
A little bit. It's good though.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad.
So, how was the meal?
Oh, it was delicious.
It was good,
great.
right?
Yes. Very, very good.
Simple meal with $1 million view for free. Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีปีใหม่นะคะ บ๊ายบาย บายบาย โอ้บายแบบ Come on, say bye bye. Hold on. Okay. Bye bye, say bye. Bye bye.